Pretty nice. Very loud on the highest setting. This is continuous mode. It stays on till you shut it off. This is timer. This is very nice. It is quite loud on the highest setting. If you need to drown out barking dogs or something like that, this is the ticket for you. And you can have more than one of these also. I use this along with my room cleaner. It's a large console that takes 3 HEPA filters, and it blows air really well. So with the noise of that and the noise of this, I hear nothing, absolutely nothing. I don't hear dogs bark. I don't hear anybody knocking at the door. I hear no chainsaws, no lawnmowers, nothing. This is perfect. I have the air cleaner on one side of the room. I have this over near my bed. So, yeah, and there's many, many, many sounds to choose from, and you can up or lower the volume. This is continuous play, or you push this button, and it is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours timer. I've never used it, so I don't know exactly how that works. It is very loud in a room. If you need to drown out noise, this is perfect. And it has a cord and it plugs right into the wall. Does not require batteries. It's perfect.